Nyasaye. Wakoni, Sunga, Fitina, Ginyego. You are not my type. You are not my class. Class not on the Kanya Wadonje. Class in Yara and Kanya Wadonje. Yeah? Not Nyasaye. You say I'm a man. Say that you part of a partner come up. Locri, which I would. You do way. Okay. Near Bandutik and the Milanano. You see, Sana Podi. Get up a product, little time when a patch. Namapro new me God. That I even yes, I can't do more than God. We man your class.
Alright. Karibuni sana. Oh, it's another Saturday, and as usual, we are bringing for you the Super Sato. I'm telling you, it's very super. It's very super, and I have to appreciate you people because you've made this program to be continuous. You know, if I were just alone, if I could just be doing it alone or individual, then I know or I believe that I would have not reached where I am. The very first thing you can do, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you can just press it, the subscription button, then hit the notification button, that is the bell, the bell on top there. You can as well suggest for us some of the things that you see or the improvement that we can do to make this show be so great by contacting us through the numbers that are running down there. Today, I have a very wonderful guy. And as you know that the promotion is our weakness. Promotion is what we do. Promotion is what we believe in. Today, I have a guy. He's called Jano the Governor. I believe you people have seen him in one of maybe clips that he's doing on the TikTok or maybe any other social media platform. Jano the Governor. Let us support this guy because he's talented. He's a comedian, an actor, an MC. I don't have enough words to describe this guy, this amazing boy. From home to Nairobi, pop, another Kenyeji. The other time we were with Jano, not Jano, but JB. And you really supported the guy. Nowadays, he's holding his own lives. He's doing so great, and thank you so much. Let's keep on supporting others. Come with me to watch the story of Jano the Governor. All right. My guest is here with me. He's a very strong guy, strong and fat. But I can't tell whether you are really strong or it's just a body. Are you strong?
I'm strong.
Yeah. So Jano Governor, yes. Karibu sana kwa Super Sato. Yeah. Have you ever watched this program?
I've always looked at some. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So today you are here. How do you feel?
I'm very happy.
Okay.
I'm more than happy.
Okay. Yes. So watu wanakujua tu kama Jano the Governor. So what is your name? The official name?
My official name is Janes Awino. So Janes, my madam teacher used to call me Jano. So I said, okay, let me shorten this Janes to Jano. Yeah.
And where is this governor coming from?
This governor comes where each and every time I used to do stand-up comedy in high school, I could succeed to the county. Then I decided to say that, okay, it's like I'm the governor of comedy in this area.
Oh, like Eric Omonidu call himself the president of comedy.
Yes.
So with you, you are the governor.
I felt like
of the comedy.
Governor. Yes.
So Jano the Governor.
Yeah.
Of comedy.
Very true.
All right. We are here with Jano the Governor of comedy. He is trying to tell us that when he was still schooling, then he used to participate in drama, and anytime they were in drama festival, the person had to proceed to county level. So said, okay, I'm the governor of comedy because county is headed by the governor. That is so creative, You are so creative. Now, I want you to tell us a brief story of the bio. We call it bio. Where you come from? How did you go to school? Your schooling, how was it? And why is it that you decided to become an artist? And when we talk of artists, it is so large. Huh? The field is so, it is wide. We have those people that are singing, we call them musicians. We have comedians, we have MCs, we have actors. There are so many. The list is endless. So where do you come from?
Okay, you have told me to tell you about my bio. To me, I want to begin from my birth, yes?
Okay.
Up to wherever you have
No
reached.
problem. No problem.
Yes, as you know, I'm Jano the. I was born on 27th, on Friday, 202 December.
Oh, 202.
December.
December, not December.
Yes, around 4 o'clock.
That is where you are Janice Otieno.
No, I'm Jano the.
Janice Owino.
Yeah, my placenta, the placenta, there's how it tampered with my mom, so I had to be called Awino for it to come out. Yeah.
Okay. Now, you are born 202.
Yes.
So it means as we talk, you're how many years old?
It's 1920.
1920.
Yeah.
Oh, you are still young. You are still
big. I'm big.
a young guy. Now, where do you come from now?
I come from Sondu.
Sondu.
Yeah.
Sondu Racha Sereneko. Is it that place, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Sondu.
Yeah.
So, where did you go to school?
Yeah. I from primary or just from secondary?
No, from primary. You have to know.
Okay. I was born in a place called Awendo. Awendo Sony.
Sony.
Yeah. The sugar region.
Sony sugar.
That is why my words are sweet.
Okay.
Because I come from the sugar region.
So, what is the connection between Awendo and Sondu? I don't get it. I don't get it.
Okay.
Because you are telling me that you are given birth
At Awendo.
at Awendo.
Yes.
Then
I grew up in Awendo. I started growing up in Awendo. I continued growing up in Sondu. I finished growing up in Karungu. Then I'm still growing up. So my growing has never ended.
okay. So no, what I need to know is the connection between where you were given birth to and the Sondu, the real home.
Okay. At Awendo, my mom and dad used to work there. So we stayed there from my birth up to 2007. When it reached 2007, they had to relocate home. Yeah. So as they were moving, as a kid, I must follow my parents.
Yeah,
so
it's true.
we had to move to Sondu.
Right.
From then, we've been in Sondu. That was now 2010. Yeah. From 2010, I was in class 2. I continued with my schooling at Sondu. When it reached class 7, that was 2015.
Yeah.
I, as Jano the Governor, went to Kericho in a place called Cora Drops Academy. Yeah, by then nilijua kujibu ABCD. Yeah, nikiweka A hii ndio jibu. Nikiweka B hii ndio jibu. So I was in Cora Drops 2015, 2016. From then I sat my KCP. I got what I got.
I know. And you passed well.
Yes.
Then joined high school.
I joined high school.
Where?
I joined my high school at Sorry Boys High School.
Oh, Sorry Boys.
Yeah.
Sorry Karungu, eh?
Yeah.
The other side, Migori County.
Very true.
A very good school. I've been there for some times. Sorry Massive. This is Umari talking. I was there. I was there as a teacher. Yeah, that region, it really served me a lot. And I love you people of Karungu. You were so friendly to me when I was in those places. Nowadays, nilitoka darasani kidogo, siku hizi ni ujinga tu kiasi na kamera. Now, umemaliza your 4th form at Sorry High School.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
So you've just completed.
I've completed, and it's like I'm also going to continue with schooling. No, learning never stop.
Yeah. It is true. Now, which course do you want to pursue?
I want to pursue mass and communication.
Mass and communication.
Yeah.
you wanna be a journalist?
When it comes to mass and communication, I want the course, but I don't know where I fit.
Oh,
News anchor, just staying at the studio, just making people smile there. I don't know why I fit, but I'm sure I'm going for the course.
Okay. Yeah. All right. But have you ever tried maybe reading news or reporting something?
When it comes to reading, I believe in myself. Because if in class 2, when people were reading, I was the only person being called to come and read. Class 3, I was the same person being called, come in front and read. Why could they call the others? You mean I can read?
Kwa wale ambao wanatutizama, huyu ni Jano the Governor. Huyu ni mcheshi, na ukienda pale kwa YouTube unaweza mtafuta tu, anajiita Jano the Governor. Ako pale pia mtandaoni kwa Facebook, Instagram, na kila mahali unaweza tafuta tu Jano the Governor. Let's support this guy to pursue or to fulfill his dreams. Yeah, the guy is really willing to be one of the famous or the great artists that we have so far. Entertainer. You know, sometimes when somebody is so general and is having several talents, I refer the person be called entertainer than just a comedian. Why? Because the person can do variety of items. Yeah.
Yeah, very true.
Jano the Governor.
Yes.
Now, nataka uniambie kidogo kuhusu uhusiano wako na wazazi, kwa sababu kwa mara nyingi unapata kuwa labda kama mtu ni mcheshi, ni msanii, anafanya sanaa na hizi vitu zingine, kwa mara nyingine unapata kuwa they are not welcomed by the society, you know. Yeah, some people think that maybe they are arrogant, others think that they are naughty, they are being taken to be they are being involved in discipline cases, something of that kind. How is your relation with the parents and maybe even some elders in the village?
When it comes to comedy, usanii tu kwa jumla, ni maji na mafuta kati yangu na wazazi. Maji na mafuta.
Maji na mafuta.
Yes. Like they don't understand this.
Amwendani.
They don't understand this totally. If I try say that, Mom, I want to shoot here. Hey! Kelele staki kwa boma. Mom, I like the other day I was telling them, can you let me live for Nairobi? To do what? What do you know? Which course do you know? I want to go and do comedy. Just waste your time there. Go and waste your time, you'll come back here. So, mimi na comedy imekuwa shida sana. Yeah. Nyumbani. Kwa jumla, just a few understands it. Not a few, just a brother, not even everyone. Just a brother.
It's only your brother that understands you at home.
Very true.
And the brother is he the younger one or the elder?
Is two people in front of me. Like his 2 kids in front of me is elder than me.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. His 2 kids in front of me.
Just kizungu tubembelezi. Hiyo ndio kizungu ya Jano.
Mwingine alisema eti I don't owe anybody grammar ama ngeli. When Europeans come to our country, they don't know our language. Yes. They speak it badly. So as they speak our language, I also speak their language. Yes. So that brother is 2 kids in front of me. Right, Jano the Governor. Yeah. Jano the Governor is right here. Super Sato. This is a show that is coming every Saturday, as from 9 p.m. Yes. Where you can ask us questions. You can shoot your questions and give us there, and maybe ask us what you want to ask. You can as well give us your suggestion. You tell us maybe where we can adjust, and some of the things that you might want us to improve on. You get that? Yeah. So here I have Jano the Governor, a very young guy. It's only that he's having heavy-bodied person.
I'm big.
not big. It's only that you have heavy body,
Fats
fats
and oils.
and ama unapenda chakula
Ama
sana.
matumbo.
So Jano,
Yes.
let me just take you back. Now you've told us how you are relating to parents.
Yeah.
What about the teachers back at school?
Hey, back at school, there now. It was another big thing, like
Another tragedy.
a tragedy.
Tragedy.
In fact, if it's the language I want
Another
to use,
tragedy.
tragedy.
Uh-huh.
But with me, I didn't know I'm a comedian. But what I knew is that I can make people laugh. Yeah.
So when did you come to realize that you are now a comedian?
Okay, before I come to that, let me tell you how this thing used to be. You get that when it was raining, teachers could call me, Jano the Governor. Early in primary class 3, come and entertain us. Walimu ananiwekea muziki hapo ninacheza. Walimu ananiambia sasa tuongeleshe. Wanacheka hapo. When schools were being closed, mimi ndo wananiita mbele. Wananiambia Jano sikuja uombe. Walikuwa wanapiga comedy na kizungu yangu. No, mimi nilikuwa nasoma public. Nikapelekwa private. So mmoja uko hata naomba kwa kizungu. Walikuwa nachapa comedy na kizungu yangu. So from then nilikuwa naona mbona ni mimi wanatakanga nichekeshe watu. Like any place they were wanatakanga niongee. Kumbe wanatakanga niongee ndio wacheke. Unaona? But I didn't know I'm a comedian. I went like that even in class 8. Hivyo tu sasa ikakuwa trend. Kama watu wako idol wananiambia Jano go in front. But I didn't know that it was comedy I was trying to act. Yeah. When it reached secondary, Form 1s are always looked down upon. Yeah. When I went for the drama, people told them, can I be among you? No. Form 1, what do you want here? I had to move back to class. When it reached Form 2, Form 2, I didn't participate totally. Reason being, I was taking modern dance. Modern dance. And
so you also know something about modern dance?
Yeah.
And you can train?
I can dance.
No.
Training? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Majorly I dance Lingala.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lingala.
Yeah.
And do you know how to sing Lingala?
I do just cram one word. Even if 1,000 words are spoken, I take one and keep it.
So tell me any Lingala word that you know.
Appreciate Moshuamu, keep layer kausenge. Like I can sing when the song is being sung. I can sing with the song. But when I'm left that Jano the Governor, can you now say what you are saying? Abaki bure. Yeah.
Huyu ni Janice ama Jano the Governor, popularly known as Jano the Governor. Najua watu wa nyumbani wanamfahamu kama Jaduong. Jaduong.
Yeah.
Janice Owino.
Yeah.
Jaduong. Okay. Ngat Nyasai.
Currently I see most of them anywhere I walk. Ngat Nyasai.
Yeah. How did this Ngat Nyasai came?
Okay. We are going to leave the comedy story pending as we move to the name Ngat Nyasai. When I completed my Form 4, I was a border man. And with me, I'm this person who, after knowing I was a comedian, I couldn't stop comedy. Anywhere I went, it was just comedy. So as I was riding bike, at times kuna masaka za iko, si ndio? So unapata tumekaa hapo chini, penye tulikuwa tunakaa kuna shade. Unapata customer amekaa hapo, mwanamke mwingine ako hapo. Then I tell somebody, can you shoot me please? My chairman is saying, no, I don't want noise in my shade. But na mtime akipata kazi aende juu nina shoot. So kuna siku moja nilikuwa na shoot video. I didn't prepare for the video totally, but I was just telling somebody that today I feel like if I'll be talking, you'll be recording me. So when I began preaching, yeah, it is coming like a sermon anyway. Mimi kama nachapa comedy na kujaga kama sermon. So nikaambia watu nitasema kwa lugha ya Kijaluo. Nikaanza tu kimchezo tu winju wacha ti Nyasaye. Winju wacha ti manyako. Bise penjuri gimomiyo poko nyuomi. To bise ng'eyo gimomiyo nyithindo tipong'o dala. We akonie. Sunga, fitina, ginyiego, ema inyi. Winja ng'at Nyasaye. Gisianda mamedi. Baba ayo achino. We apimni. And you know, I'm telling you this thing the way I said it. Because you know,
so you should make me your reader. Then you explain for me.
Yes.
With me, I should be your reader. I read for you. Then with you, you preach.
Yes.
Huh? So tell me the Bible.
I bring the sermon. Yes. Winjo what you say. Winja kabisa dada. Bise penjori. To bise ng'eyo. Gimomiyo poko nyuomi. Gimomiyo in gi nyithindo dala. Gisianda momedi. Sianda tutindu pado marom nade cha. Kingi yae nyandi sai yawo. Awuoro miriambo mojuko donje. Miriambo miyo ojuko timi wuondo wa sana dada. No, when I was saying like that, women are smiling, people are laughing. So I was getting motivated. So I continued. I reached a point where I said that gimakoro yinyi nyathi Nyasaye. Makoro moni kabisa. You are not my class. You are not my type. Class ino ni kanya watu adonje. Kumisa gere no mondo watu adonje. Then from then it was like, wow, the video went to TikTok. People could now start calling me Ngat Nyasaye.
Ngatruoth.
Yes.
And actually I've also seen a potential in you, and I would advise you that you put Ngat Nyasaye kwa mabano. Jano the Governor, Ngat Nyasaye, Ngatruoth.
Ngatruoth.
Yeah, Ngatruoth.
Whatever you will say, you know, with me, I can't give myself a name. I always take the name people have decided to call me. From now, I'll be Jano the Governor.
Ngatruoth. Okay. There is this one that you always say, that Jano the Governor, Jano the Governor, aka Ngatruoth. Oh, Meru Meru.
Yes.
Jano Mame.
Jano Mame.
Yes. Meru Meru. Makata.
Should I continue?
No problem.
I just say.
Say it.
You know. Let me say it. And I'm only Jano Mame. Jano Nyanguna lo nyumon. Jano Meru Meru makata pera biya mara mnade. Okigomi monu mondu babau. You joke around.
Only on Super Sato every Saturday kuanzia saa 3 kamili.
Jano changa kimoro. Jano dako fudeu. Dako chiemo yore. Ichoko managi na chela kaneto sachi.
Nikona crazy guy. Yes. This guy is so crazy. With you, the likes of crazy Kena. So we have the crazy governor here. Next to me here is called Jano the Governor. Enda pale YouTube uangalie zile vitu ambazo ameweka pale, ziko amazing. The guy is so amazing. The guy is so wow. And I want to tell you that promotion is what we are in for. Promotion is what we are in for. Are you outside there and you want to be promoted? Do you want people to know you? Do you want to be exposed? Then our contacts are there. Just call us anytime you feel like calling. Do it. Or you can as well do as WhatsApp. Huh? You can WhatsApp. But don't make a mistake of flashing. My friend, you will not like it. Do not make a mistake of flashing. Now Jano the Governor.
Yes.
Baada ya kutengeneza hii kitu, video ambayo ilienda viral, ilifika kwangu by the way. Ulikuwa na suspender.
You suspender. Did you know that I carried it to Nairobi? Like I said, why must I leave this thing that brought me from the grass?
You have it
from grass to grace.
Put it.
I'll leave the screen.
No problem.
Okay, no problem.
Just put it.
Let me go for my
Yeah, that one is called Jano the Governor. Let me put for you a video that this guy did, so that you see what the guy did. Let me put it on my screen. It is there. Jano the Governor. Jano the Governor. I think it is this one here.
Fitin, Giniego, you are not my type. You are not my class. Class not on the Kanya Wadonje. Class in Yara and Kanya Wadonje. Yeah? Not your side. You say I'm a man. Say that you part of a partner come up. Where's our way? You do way. Okay. Near Bandutik and the Milamanango. You see, Sana Podi. Get up over Capradek, little time when a patch. Namabro New Migodo. That I in your side. Kawa ndugu moro da godo. We manyo class. Boki gero class with the manyo class.
Igoni poko gero classroom
Poko gero class maji oneno minyalo bede. Baba godha. Godha.
Is here is called Jano the Governor.
Yeah.
So this is what we used.
Yes, this is what has made me be known. So yeah.
So from today you are called Jano the Governor, aka
Ngat Nyasai.
Ngat Nyasai.
Yes.
So it's called Jano the Governor, Ngat Nyasai. Jano mame.
Jano mame.
Meru meru magata.
Pirebe maramnade. Toki
Gombi manu
babu.
All right. So, clip mwanenoni. The clip that we've just seen.
Yes.
Is it the one of your best comedies so far, or the clips so far that you've produced?
With me, with me, my best are never recorded. What I feel is not my best. Okay, I don't know how comedy treats me. I actually don't know. What I call my best is not my audience best. What I just shoot, like if I'm not serious, that is what goes viral. Yeah. Like of late also I've heard there's one going viral that with me I was light skinned when I was young. Ni rogi tu nilirogwa.
Inasemeti
kwa Kijaluo ama kwa lugha gani?
No problem.
Okay. Mimi nani nguri mino nyanga. Ana lando chon kana nyola marach. Makata jiriende ne gombo tinga. Ano ira mo kalana. Mo kanda. Ano ira.
The guy is trying to say that this is not his real color. Yeah. Ni kama
alirogwa.
Ulirogwa.
Nikiwa mdogo.
Ni uchawi
tu. Mimi nilikuwa light skin.
This guy is so funny. Let us see that clip too. Let us see.
Okay.
Is it on YouTube?
It is just in TikTok.
Oh, yeah. The title?
Let us write Jano the Governor.
Jano the Governor.
Yes, it's the latest.
Kwa TikTok, huh?
Analando.
Bana wakonwe pala. Analanda mara. Ema nanyola. Nalanda makara jirende de ngomba na tinga. Wote ti. An mok socha. Ano ira. Kusona
bwana kuru kakitali kuru mani landri.
Bana landa mano ira pare.
Ante kuru mani.
That is it actually. Yeah. Imagine. No.
Na kwa nini inakaa garage? Where were you?
Okay, with me, I'm this man who yani naamini mimi mwanaume. So there's no need to sit at home. See, I told you I've not joined. Yeah, so the reason that I'm still at home, I have to work. Yes. Kazi ya mkono lazima. Piki I'm asthmatic. I work daytime, usiku niko hospitali. So pesa za mchana zinaenda kwa hospitali. Pesa za mchana zinaenda kwa dawa.
Yani unafanya kazi mchana.
Yes.
Kwa pikipiki.
Yeah.
But you are asthmatic.
Yes.
So hiyo pesa ambayo umepata kwa pikipiki inaenda kwa dawa
usiku.
That's why you are a hard-working guy.
Yes, I'm hard-working. I am sure that people at the hospital receive something.
And wewe pia umefanya
kazi.
So you are asthmatic but unaendesha boda.
No, as I said earlier, I'm a man. There's no need of sitting at home. Yeah. How will they know that I'm a man? So I have to move each and every morning. Nilijaribu kulema. Kulema nilifukuzwa. Nikamwambia wewe una nguvu ya kulema. So unapata unapewa kazi ya kilimo, wewe unaitwa saa 10. Kuja utusaidie kupanda, unapewa 50 bob. So umejua hapo nikasema this one does not fit me. Then also kwa kulema, hiyo baridi ya mchanga hiyo, usiku tena ndio hiyo ugonjwa tena imeingia. Ile 50 haitoshi hata dawa. Ilibidi nitoroke kwa kulema.
So as you are telling me about your comedy that you began in school, how was it now?
Comedy?
Now in high school?
Yes, comedy. I reached my Form 2. In Form 2, the boy who was doing comedy
died.
He didn't die. The guy is there. But I always felt like I'm more funny than him. But what I didn't want is that if I go and ask, will they allow me go and perform? Will they allow me? Then it was like, nobody's going to allow you go and perform. So Form 2 went up to Term 3. To mean I didn't participate in the drama. It reached Term 3 during the talent show. During the talent show, I tried. I said that this is the time now. I want
to show these people my talent now.
And it was not that I decided by myself. People told me, Jano, we want to go and see you today. As you do it in class here, go and do it in front of people. I went there. This, though it is not actually this one, but I put on the same. I put on a suspender like this one, a kofia like this one. My goggles were like this. Only that one side was not there. Just by dressing code. Kila mtu alicheka kwa hall. Mpaka principal alikuwa na chuki na mimi akasema akaanza kucheka.
Mkakuwa marafiki.
Tukakuwa marafiki. Alafu hapo nikaanza kuchapa comedy. Then what I love with my comedy, mimi hakuna siku nitawahi chapa comedy nikiongelea mtu. Mimi najiongelea maisha yangu mimi.
That is so good.
Ni maisha yangu.
So were you given now a slot? Were you put to be one of the drama members?
Then by the end of it, I was given a vest. Being the best entertainer who entertained people, I was given another vest for being number 2 in skit acting. I was given another vest for now being number 1 in comedy. So from that, I earned myself 3 vests. Yes.
Though you are not putting on even one.
I decided. Alafu tena wezi wa Form 3 tena wakazichuku.
Right.
Yes.
Now, as we talk, Jano the Governor, where do you stay? Are you based at home or you are now based in Nairobi?
Before I come to basing in Nairobi, I went to Form 3.
Oh, Form 3. We were in Form 2.
We were in Form 2, Term 3. So we are moving to Form 3. So Form 3, drama reached. And I told you that school had their comedian. Then, drama, Nassans Congress.
They are famous comedian.
Yes. They know their comedian. If their time reaches, they always call, Edega, come. So it reached a point where the guy was participating in Science Congress, and with me, I was participating in a place called Nowhere. Yes. So the guy went for the Congress, the place remained vacant.
So
school had no option but to ask, they were moving per class, can somebody become a comedian? They moved from Form 1, reaching Form 3G. They reached somebody by the name Jano who didn't choose himself. But people said, can you go and try Jano? When I reached the office, Madam said, I've been looking for this guy, though I've not known his name. How are you? I'm fine. Akanambia, utaweza fanya comedy kweli? Yeah, nitafanya. Tukikupea tukikuandikia uende useme hivyo ama unataka kujiandikia? I said, how am I a comedian if I'm being written for a script? Am I an actor? Let me go and do this thing by myself. Nikaenda nikakaa chini, nikaandika vizuri sana. Nikarihas kwa nini hapo karibu na dining hall, nikiitwa mbele, kuja utuambie. Nilichapa floor na kuambia kila mtu alicheka. Siku ikafika. Mimi mavazi yangu, mimi kitu napendanga stand up comedy, umejua unapata result yako hapo.
Yeah. Exactly.
Mavazi yangu tu naona tu crowd imeshaniambia hii kitu naenda kutwanga. So kuingia nikasikia watu wakicheka, nikasema hii kitu naona nimeshinda. Nikachapa flow vizuri. By the end of it nikakuwa number 1. Zonal.
That is so good.
Wakafika sub county. Sasa nikakuwa number 0. Juu ni kama nilishinda number 1. Kama if the range between me and my number 2 was 10. It's like I was number 0.
It was like you are competing by yourself.
Yes, actually, I was competing myself.
You are competing yourself.
Yes. So I had to proceed to the county. When I reached the county, nikamwambia sasa county ndo sasa nilichapa vizuri. County nikachapa vizuri. I emerged number 3.
Yeah.
Number 3. Yeah. Their people are many. And they call it their one.
Yeah.
This is how they look at schools. They say that, how can we just take somebody from this school and we have people like Nani here? So, najua tu walininyang'anya tu. So in Form 3, I didn't make it.
To national.
Form 4 reached. No, Form 4 sasa haikuwa kitu wanatafuta. Walisema, call Jana Saweno. And my weakness is sitakangi mtu ananiambia rehearse. Nataka ukiniambia niko na kazi, unaniacha sasa mimi naenda kujirehearsia. Yeah. No, if you repeat the same word ni kama kuna venye hiyo content inapotea. But if you say it once, the content will come the way you want it to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, nikaenda hapo zonal siye na kwanga ni kama yangu tu. Mjua nikienda if your fellow comedian is calling you a comedian, no, that tells you that huyo mtu umeshashinda. Zonal nikashinda, sub county nikashinda, county sasa nilichapa number 2. Number 2, corona ikaribu.
Oh, corona.
Corona ikaribu.
It is so bad. It is so bad, but we hope that your life is not limited. Yeah. I know with the grace of God, you'll still reach where you need to be. Yeah. And that is why we are here, so that these people can support you and they give you maybe the support that you deserve to make you reach where you are supposed to be. Yeah. You get that?
Yes.
So as we talk, you are now a Form 4 leaver.
Yeah.
You've not joined any
institution.
Any institution.
Very true.
After your 4th form. Now, where do you stay? As I asked you the other time.
At the moment,
are you based at home, or you'll be based fully in Nairobi?
I decided, being that no, the spirit of comedy is now haunting me. Anywhere I move comedy. No, at home people don't understand this. Do you know that? Yeah, everybody sees like, this guy is mad.
This guy is crazy.
Where does of what use is the noise? No, a comedian is this man who must make noise, because he always wants people to hear him and laugh at his words. Yeah. So at home people don't understand me. Then I said, where do big comedians live? People like Omari Nash, where do they live? Nairobi. People like Eriko Mondi, where do they live? Nairobi. People like Jalango, the legend, where do they live? Nairobi. MC Trick. Then I asked myself, who lives at home and does comedy from home? There was no one. Then I said, then let me also move to where my fellows are. Yeah.
So you've just listed my name. I'm one of your big comedians that you know.
Omari, with you, you are almost my everything when it comes to comedy.
How?
At first, I knew you earlier, back 2019, and I used to meet you, but I didn't know it is you. so it was very ironical when each and every evening I could tell my cousins, no, I would wish to see Omari. Then they're telling me, Omari is that guy who greeted us when we were leaving for the lake. You see? You here. So
right.
Yeah.
By those days.
Yeah. So I didn't know you.
The days I was
wishing to see you.
But you became to be a very good friend of mine.
So one day I came to your house, you were not there. The following day, so I had to look for your number. Then when I looked for your number again, you are not around.
It was not going through.
Yeah. So I said, why is it that Omar is this much slippery? One day I met you. And the first task you told me, unaweza imba. Nikasema basi leo nimeshikwa mimi ni na sauti yangu ya sungura ama hii sauti ya chura hii.
By the way, tell me, how did we meet? I can't remember. Imagine.
Okay. It was being that I had always been coming and I was not seeing you. There's one evening that I met you.
I was a teacher by then.
Yeah. Yeah. I think you were teaching at Kiranda Girls or Boys.
Kiranda Boys.
Kiranda Boys. So I met you.
St. Mary's Boys.
Yeah.
St. Mary's Boys Kiranda.
I met you. I greeted you, but I was afraid to tell you that I want to at least appear in one of your clips. So I went and asked myself, how can I tell Omari that I can do this thing? The following day, I had to come again. Then the way I came, you were working on a content. Yeah, and seeing me was also like a privilege to you. Then ukaniuliza unaweza imba. Hapo ndo nikasema sasa mimi sijui kuimba, nitajibu nini hapa? Nikajitia hiyo right. Najua kuimba. Ukanitest. Hebu imba daddy 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 daddy. Nikaanza kuimba. Daddy 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 daddy.
Oh, the first clip, ile Lato challenge. Eti daddy 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 daddy, siku hizi umekuwa mchoyo.
Eti
daddy daddy.
Ukikula unafunga mlango.
Ukikula unafunga mlango, umekuwa mchoyo. Acha mchezo jeme.
Maziwa yako ni sijaona.
Ebuliza mama. Yeah, maziwa Lato.
Mama Jimmy Sudan.
And I remember you also gave me your sister.
Yes.
Was she a sister or a cousin?
No. In Luo, once your cousin is your sister.
Oh.
Yeah. So I gave you my sister.
Okay. Bado ako nyumbani.
Ako. Hata sasa hiyo ni parent. Mzazi. Like she's done with her form 4.
Oh. Yeah. Nilidhani eti alipata mtoto.
Hapana.
Okay. So ako nyumbani. Now that was our first clip.
That was the first day we met. Then from
it was the first day and no,
it was the second day we met.
And we did something.
Yes.
All right.
Then you got lost.
I disappeared
like electricity. But before you got lost, I followed you to your house and I was asking you, can I own myself a YouTube channel? You told me yes, you can. Yes.
Do it.
Can I create a channel? Yes, you can. Can I shoot a video? Yeah. Well, all the things you were telling me were very positive. And that is why I said, how can I make Omari my friend? No, it was worrying me. How can I start becoming a friend in that we can share ideas deeply?
I remember we also did another one of there was a certain song.
That one is late.
Huh?
That one is late.
Okay.
No, from then you told me I can create myself a channel. Then I went and tried after telling me that, and it went through.
By then you were in form?
But then I was Form 3 2019.
Oh,
yeah,
2019.
Yes,
I was teaching already. Eh?
Yeah, you are already a teacher. To me, you are a good number of ages. Can it be a decade ahead?
I was you were born when I was in class 2.
202?
Yeah, 202 I was in class 2. Wow. So it means by the time you were given birth to. When did you do your fourth form?
I started my fourth form 2020-2021.
And class 8?
No, the corona tampered with us.
No, class 8?
2016.
2016?
Yes.
2016 I was already a teacher.
No,
2016, that's when I completed my college, the teaching course, yeah. The teaching course. So it means mi ni mzee bwana. Respect the beards, respect the gray hair.
Alafu uzuri tukiona na wewe watasema mimi ni mkubwa. Wewe unanifuta.
Alright, huyu anaitwa Jano the Governor. Yeah. Jano the Governor. Jano the Governor. Enda pale YouTube, enda TikTok, enda Instagram, you check Jano the Governor. Subscribe to this guy. This is my son. Yeah. This is my son in this field.
In this field.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah. Before he opened the YouTube account, YouTube channel, yeah. He came and consulted, and anytime you come to me, I'll always be positive because I know I cannot discourage you, and everyone, we want to move ahead. You know, when I promote you, it means I'm also promoting myself, you know, because tomorrow I'll grow old, and these are the guys that will help us. You'll need to see another guy that is holding one-on-one Super Sato, you know. So I'm so grateful, Jano. What do? Keep on pushing.
Yeah.
You get that?
Yes.
Keep on pushing until you are there.
Thank you.
You get that? See, it's night. Some are even sleeping. With us, we are here. It is because we keep on pushing. You get that?
Yeah.
And what you need to do, promote others too. There are some people that are now watching at you. They are watching and they are saying, I should be, or I ought to be, or I wish to be, something of that kind. It means you are somebody's mentor somewhere.
Yeah.
You get that? But what is really killing us, especially Luz, and I quote, we don't want others to grow too. Pride also. Pride.
Yes. Wivu, fitina. Yani unajisikia ni wewe uliambiwa hiyo kitu. Jalango once said, the entertainment cake is too big. You cannot eat it alone. Ukishika mkono ya mtu, haitabadilisha jina lako kuwa Omari, ikuwe Jano, bado utabakia kuwa Omari.
Yes.
So
exactly.
Just hold another person's hand.
Exactly.
You know, that is one of the touching words I took from Jalango.
Jalango.
Yeah.
Jalango is a good guy. Anajiita utu na wetu.
Utu na watu. Jalango Langata one.
Langata one.
Yes.
We appreciate so much, Jalango, and we hope also to do what you've been doing. I believe we shall grow together. Now, Jano, yes. What are some of the challenges before we finish that you've been meeting, the obstacles that you've been meeting in this field, or it has been new since you began?
No. Comedy has never been smooth to my side. Never. You go somewhere, you tell somebody, no, I am here, I can also be an MC. Can I get a platform, please? Please. Yes, you can get. That is when they want to fool you. They'll tell you that you can get. Nakwambia utaenda hadi karibu na speaker hivi na kuiti. Unaenda hadi karibu na speaker hadi ucheke na yeye na kuiti.
La anajua uko hapo.
Anajua uko hapo tena na kuangalia.
Na ni fellow MC.
Na kuiti. Unaona?
Omari yako hapo.
Swaga. Hadi ananifanya sasa lakini aniti. Alafu mimi watu napongeza. Nataka kupongeza watu wawili sana. Si mtu wa kwanza nitampongeza, mtu wa pili nitampongeza zaidi ya kumpongeza. Sawa. When BVB band. Yeah, I told you I'm a Rumba Lingala fan, yeah. So I always watch John Jr. I always attend his concerts. That is the first person to let me MC as it show. John Jr. Come in front. He called me. Chukua microphone. They were with somebody by the name Eli Oko. Eli Oko is a backup singer at VVB band. Eli respect too much.
Where were they?
But then they were in Oyugis. They said, Ngatiesai. No, I told you it's Ngatiesai video that has made everybody know Jano. Yeah. Ngatiesai, mark microphone. That is the first time I stood in front of people.
So good.
Since I finished my school.
That is so good.
Yeah.
BVB
band.
BVB.
Yes.
BVB.
A very good band.
Yeah.
Rumba Taratibu.
John Jr. Ajuno.
Thanks so much, John Jr.
Ojuno, thank you so much. A very humble guy, by the way.
Yes. Mwenye akona heshima zake. Mimi namheshimu sana. Yeah.
Alafu
second person who, like, when it comes to art, usanii tu yote tu. Mwenye amefanya mimi naweza itwa na mtu, mwenye anifanya naweza appear pale kwa screen. Unajua siku hizi na appear kwa screen.
Wapi?
Lolo TV.
Lolo TV, by the way. Yeah. I was about to forget, Yeah, Lolo TV, you people have program there.
Yes.
It's called?
Wacha nikulete kwanza. So my second appreciation goes to MC Omari Nash.
Wow.
MC Omari Nash. In front of God, I say that this man is my everything when it comes to the field of art. Hapa kwa usanii ni yeye kila kitu kwangu. Like MC.
Najisikia.
Omari was at one point an MC at a fundraising at Sorry. Anytime I was passing with my bike, Jano the Governor.
Kuja.
No.
Bokri.
From that najisikia eti watu wananijua, unaona? Mbokri. No, Mbokri. Mbokri was a award you were saying to let me mokre.
By then,
Mbokri to mokre.
By then you are still schooling.
Yes.
Tukachapa show.
Ilikuwa
watu wakasherehekea.
Ukasema Jano dance kidogo. No, from there sijui kama uko ijua mimi najua inakuanga dancer. So
you really killed it.
yeah. And people were saying, even anakuanga kumbe. This guy is very funny.
This guy is very funny.
Then,
and I believe you got some fans from that.
Very true. People could call me, bana kumbe unakuanga hivi funny bana. These are the likes of Oginakok. No, somebody cannot ask your name. So it's these are the likes of Oginakok. This guy can make people laugh.
Okay.
He can give people laugh.
Direct translation.
Yes, he can give people laugh.
Nyamio Jinyero.
So when my being in Nairobi, my staying in Nairobi, I knowing Nairobi, I still being in Nairobi to the rest of my life is Omari Nash. Omari Nash. Omari Nash. No, when I was at home, I always walked through the Super Satos.
So you can as well tell them how you came to Nairobi now.
Yeah. So through the Super Satos, I was saying that Kakano Omari hold me and also air me one day. Then I said, no, I have not done what can make Omari air me. Let me just continue. Yes. So
Ataniita tu.
Ataniita tu. And before we continue there, Omari, there's a point we were with you at Sondo. Were you handling Super Satos by then?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was handling it.
Because there's one of your videos I saw one-on-one.
One-on-one.
Yeah.
One-on-one. No, it was not Super Sato. It was Wednesday edition.
It was just one-on-one like that.
It was one-on-one Wednesday edition. Ilikuwa inakuja Wednesday. But now the schedule was so tight because I was having some other duties to do. By that time I was also having a certain school within the CBD, so I was to go there. So coming from school, then holding the Super Sato was the Wednesday edition was a little bit a problem.
Yeah.
So I said, let me do it on a weekend when I'm not going to school. Yeah. Then on the same note, some people are also very difficult to get.
Yeah.
You get that? Because some of these people are performing very early because it was during that corona period.
Okay.
So some of these Wangla artists were going to the event very early, you know, so getting them was a problem.
Okay.
Yeah. So somebody is telling you that we'll meet, but when it come to when it reached the day, you get that the person is so committed ako kwa show vituka hizo. So ilibidi tuweke Saturday.
So ikakuwa one-on-one Super Sato with MC Omari Nash. So this is one of the shows I've always wished to be. And I told you I wanted to do what will make me be known in the Super Sato.
Yeah.
How can you go there yet you have nothing that can make people know you?
Yeah, exactly.
I worked on Ngatiyasai.
Truth.
And I sent you the clip.
Yes.
And I asked, do I fit?
Nikakwambia already you've passed.
Yes. That is how I passed my interview to Nairobi.
And you are here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So from the interview, I had to come to Nairobi. Then I was saying, if I come to Nairobi, being that I know nobody, I was to take the Super Sato. Then I just moved back home. Omari told me, you are not going back home.
Awende
nyumbani.
How can you go back home and I'm here?
Awende nyumbani. So Omari akaanza kunipea connection. Akanipeleka Lolo TV. Hapo umejua mimi nikienda huko nikasema hii chance kidogo hii mimi naitumia venye nimepewa. Namukra.
Udamukra. Yeah. Watch this guy on Lolo TV every Wednesday. Every Wednesday as from 8:30
p.m.
8:30.
Yeah.
The show is also replayed.
Yes, on Sundays.
On Sunday, 5:30
p.m.
5:30 p.m.
Yeah.
So watch this guy on Lolwe TV every Wednesday. Wako pale na Victor Msafi.
Yes.
Victor Msafi.
Kenya.
Yes. We are also reminding you that the show is fully sponsored by Manyala Auto
Garage and the Lex Entertainment.
Yes. So if kama uko na gari tafuta Manyala
Auto Garage. Advise you tunakuadvise uharibu gari. Wewe anguka tu chini. Manyala yako. Haribu tu gari Manyala yako.
Then if you have any event,
yes,
and maybe you want things to do with photography, then look for the Lex Entertainment. Yeah. They
Led
have
by Rico Baba.
Rico Baba.
Yes.
They have the best production so far.
Very true.
Yeah. Rico Baba, Lex Entertainment. We value you so much. When I gave you this boy, you welcomed him, and you are still nurturing this guy. Promote this guy. Yeah. Manyala, Auto Garage, Victim, Safi, Lex Entertainment. I'm so grateful. You know, when I proposed that you be there, they never told me that, no, we don't know this guy. Blah, blah. They really accepted. And they say, Umari, let the guy be there. Yeah.
To mean you gave them the person they have been looking for.
Exactly.
The long-awaited guy.
The long-awaited guy.
Was finally delivered.
Yes.
Umari,
so,
thank you.
You just keep on pushing and let the platform that you've been given in Lolo TV help you.
Yeah.
You get that? Yeah. Just use the platform well. But when useleb ianze kuingia, then uingize madharau, that one will be the end of you. We've seen several artists, they are growing, they reach somewhere, they start seeing as if they've made it.
Yeah. They forget where they came from.
Then that's the end of them.
Okay.
That's the end. So you just keep on pushing. So now you are fully hosted.
I'm fully hosted there.
Very
Niko
good.
pale na tena uzuri tena niko hosted pale na leo nimeona tena niko hosted hapa Super Sato yenye nimeomba tu Mungu nitakuwa lini.
Na Nairobi pia uko hosted.
Nairobi tena niko hosted.
So is there anything that is remaining?
I feel like nothing. Just to tell MC Omari Nash, thank you very much for having been with me. You've always supported me. You've always been like my everything when it comes to the field of art.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now talk to your fans. Talk to your fans and anybody that is watching now. Talk to them.
Yes. To
Before,
whoever is watching this now, this is Jano the Governor, aka Ngatnyasai, Jano Meru Meru, Makatapere Beo Maramnade, Okigombi, Manumundu Babau. Yes, I'm asking for your support in my social media platforms. When you go to the YouTube there, go and search Jano the Governor. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Ukienda pale TikTok, just search Jano the Governor. When you move to your Instagram, just search Jano the Governor, follow. When you move to your Facebook, Jano the Governor, like my page. That.
Yeah. And to those people that are watching, we are so happy. We are so grateful. And keep on supporting us. You can give us your suggestion, those people that you'd like to be hosted, or maybe if you are the one you want to be hosted and you are there, our contacts are just down there. Just contact us anytime, any day. So long as you don't flash, you call or you WhatsApp, we'll be there.
Yeah.
Even when you are at home, we'll see a way of you coming to Nairobi or we coming there.
They don't flash. They can use reverse call.
No. Reverse call and the flashing, they are more or less the same.
Yes.
Don't do that.
They are brothers and sisters.
Don't do that. If you want to be promoted, also make a certain effort. Yeah. Hata tafuta tu hata shilingi 5 ya kupiga simu. Si eti una flash alafu useme eti siku hizi Umari anaringa, no. Not that way. Just make a little effort, surely. Yeah. Otherwise, Jano the Governor, utasema pale every Saturday tuko live na MC Omari Nash kwa Super Sato at 9 p.m. Today?
Every Saturday tuko live pale na MC Omari Nash on Super Sato from 9 p.m.
Yeah. On YouTube,
YouTube, right.
Facebook yetu ilileta noma kidogo, but tutarudi. We are working on it. Our Facebook brought some issues.
Ilileta kichwa.
Ilileta kichwa. Thank you so much. Let's meet next week, like next week, the same place, same time, but with different guests.